morning. Welcome to AIC Quick Talk, your quick look into the latest developments in the insurance industry in Southeast Asia. I am your friend Junepo Campo, and today we will talk about the general insurance industry of Malaysia. Joining us from Kuala Lumpur is the president of PIAM, or the General Insurance Association of Malaysia, Mr. Anthony Lee. Anthony, good morning. I'm glad you can join us. How is the general insurance industry in Malaysia right now?
So the general insurance industry registered its steepest half-year drop in recent years as we bore the full brunt of COVID-19. Gross direct premiums declined 3.6%, unfortunately, for the first half. That amounts to 8.6 billion ringgit. Given this sobering backdrop, we expect an extremely challenging full year. The pandemic has yet to be fully played out. We don't know whether we will have a second lockdown or not. And because of these deep uncertainties in the external environment, we expect the industry to decline further for the full year. And the road to recovery will take some time. It will be long and arduous.
Mm-hmm. It's truly going to be a long and arduous road to recovery. Thank you for that answer, Anthony. For my second question, I wonder if you are seeing any opportunities in this pandemic. And if you are, what are you and the other industry leaders in Malaysia doing to take advantage of these opportunities?
Yes, absolutely. The crisis has accelerated digital transformation at an unprecedented scale, impacting all sectors of the economy. This will drive demand for cyber risk insurance. At the same time, the restructuring of global supply chains will present new opportunities for specialty insurance and spur further innovation. The operating environment has changed dramatically, with work from home being the new normal. There's added care of responsibilities for employers towards their employees, with the risk of infection at work and also cyber incidents at home. There's added duty of care as general insurers are providing work from home coverage, some providing mental health issues to cover that, as well as ergonomic injuries from working at home. So really we have to respond fast as an industry to capitalize on all these opportunities.
Thank you again, Anthony. For my next question, do you see any lessons that the industry can learn from this crisis?
Really, there are two lessons I think that we have learned. In some ways, our industry is going through its own existential crisis. During this pandemic, many businesses and consumers have faced and continue to face unforeseen risks which are not covered. This is a reality, and it is a wake-up time for all of us. It can lead to a lack of trust amongst the public. And then, as an industry, we therefore have to work extremely hard and redouble our efforts to regain some of that lost trust. The second lesson is that general insurers have to fully exploit the use of digital technologies and data analytics to design innovative products for businesses and consumers, particularly around contingent business interruptions and non-physical damage solutions, for example. And most importantly, we have to continue to provide peace of mind to all our customers.
May I ask about your views of InsurTech amidst these developments?
I guess maybe there's two parts that I would say that we definitely need further and faster change and innovation, and InsurTech, they're nimble and they're able to do that. The flip side though is it's quite difficult. I think the investments continue to go into these InsurTech companies? Because for some of us, just focusing on keeping the lights on and keeping business going while people are working from home already presents a lot of challenge. So us able to adopt new technologies during this time with lockdowns and work from home is going to be twice as hard. So we need to try and find some balance between the two in order to get innovation done. But we definitely see growing number of consumers willing to interact digitally, which is a significant change from before. So there is an accelerated adoption of direct channels.
Thank you very much. Short and sweet answers. Anthony, we're 10 minutes ahead of schedule.
Excellent, excellent. I like that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I wish
well,
all
you guys take care. Hopefully, I mean, how are your economies doing? Philippines also looks very bad in terms of cases.
Yeah,
right?
Jesus. We hope this ends soon. No?
Yeah.
It's really having. It's like we're waking up from a bad dream, like that.
Yeah. I was on a call the other day and had some. I think Fauci was on it, and we had a couple of Mayo Clinic and all that. So they all said that. So we should have the vaccines by end of year, beginning of next year. But it will still take a combination of vaccine and this physical distancing stuff to go on till the end of next year, because it will take quite a bit of time to make sure everyone gets it. And then only when you get the right number, you have better herd immunity, and then it will. So what they're saying is, if you think suddenly the vaccine's out and it's back to normal, that's going to take a while still. So end of next year apparently is kind of the most realistic scenario I'm hearing anyway.
Yes, indeed. It's going to be a long way before we completely declare this crisis to be under control. Thank you again, Anthony, for your time. That concludes our episode for today. Please watch our other interviews with industry leaders from the other countries of ASEAN as they talk about the performance of their industry during this COVID-19 pandemic. Once again, this is Junepo Campo from the Philippines, and this is your AIC Week Talk.